Did you know that extreme heat doesn't just make you thirsty? It can also fill your pocket. In this video, I'll show you 10 cold business machines that you can import from China at affordable prices and turn into profitable businesses from home, a small warehouse, or a mobile setup. From slushies to soft serve ice cream, popsicles, ice, smoothies, and more, these machines don't just cool your customers down, they generate income for you every day without complicating your life. You don't need experienced employees or a storefront, just one machine, one idea, and the desire to start. Stay until the end, because machine number 7 doesn't just grab attention, it also goes viral on social media by itself. Starting a business has never been this refreshing. Number 1. Slush or frappe machine. Today more than ever, heat is the perfect excuse to sell something cold, sweet, and visually irresistible. And there lies your opportunity, offering ready-to-enjoy slushies or frappes with a machine that does everything for you. With this machine, you don't need to crush ice. You just add water, syrups, or fruit mixes, and it freezes and turns the liquid into a dense, icy beverage, perfect to serve instantly. No complications, just flavor and presentation that sells itself. The business model is simple but profitable. You buy flavors in bulk, mix, fill the machine's tank, and sell by the cup in combos, or even by renting the machine for events. You can work from home, on a mobile cart, or fulfill orders through social media. Your customers, kids, teens, adults, families. Everyone loves a slushie, and if you add toppings like gummies, condensed milk, or chopped fruit, the value goes up, and so do your profits. Plus, it's an easy business to scale. Start with one machine, and when you can't keep up, install more, serve events, offer small franchises, or even build your own brand. Low cost, high turnover, and customers who always want to come back. Number 2. Soft serve ice cream machine, cone or cup. Ice cream isn't just a dessert, it's an experience. People don't want it only for the taste, but because it's creamy, eye-catching, and perfect to share on social media. And there's your opportunity. Sell soft serve ice cream in cones or cups, ready to delight. With this machine, you can prepare smooth, consistent ice cream like you see in big franchises, without paying thousands of dollars. It serves in seconds, you don't need much practice, and the result sells itself, especially if you add sprinkles, syrups, cookies, or colorful toppings. The model is ideal for starting small. Place the machine in a high-traffic area, fairs, malls, or even at home with delivery. Sell per unit in combos, or rent the machine for kids' parties and events. And if you film it, even better. A video of serving ice cream goes viral on TikTok or Instagram. Your customers are everyone, from kids to nostalgic adults. Ice cream attracts effortlessly. You just need a good base recipe, a reliable machine, and creativity to stand out. Best of all, it's easy to scale. You can set up more points of sale, hire staff, or even offer a turnkey business to other entrepreneurs. It's visual, profitable, and never goes out of style. In the description link, you'll find the import program. Number 3. Ice cube machine. Ice sells every day, everywhere. But very few realize that behind every cold drink, juice, fish display, or event, there's a supplier making money with something as basic as frozen water. With an ice cube machine, you can produce dozens of kilos per day from your home or a small warehouse. The model is clear. You make ice, pack it in 1 or 2 kilo bags, and sell directly to businesses that constantly need it: stores, fruit shops, liquor shops, street vendors, bars, and even families buying for gatherings. The initial investment is low compared to the potential. These machines can be imported for under $500, and you only need an extra freezer for storage and a clean space for packing. The product sells itself in warm seasons, but it also has steady demand in sectors like food service, events, and local distribution. It doesn't require staff, a kitchen, or much experience, just consistency and basic logistics. Plus, it's easy to scale. Install more machines, open distribution points, or even rent freezers to stores to create your own silent point of sale. A simple, steady, necessary business. And it all starts with ice. Number 4. Artisan popsicle machine. Popsicles aren't just a summer treat. They've become a gourmet product that combines flavor, creativity, and attractive presentation. And with an Artisan popsicle machine, you can turn simple ingredients like fruit, yogurt, or chocolate into a high turnover business with excellent margins. The process is simple. Prepare the mixes, pour them into special molds, and the machine freezes them in record time. The best part is you can create custom recipes, vegan, filled, with vivid colors or decorative coatings, and sell them in unique presentations that attract both for taste and looks. This business model works from home, a shared kitchen, or a small point of sale. You can offer combos on social media, sell by pre-order, attend fairs, or distribute to health stores and local cafes. Each popsicle can cost you between 25 cents and 40 cents USD and easily sell from $1 to $3, depending on creativity, packaging, and target audience. It's also perfect for scaling. Launch your own brand, set up a food truck, or place freezers with your product in partner stores. Flavor, customization, and strong presentation. That's how you build a profitable business with something as simple as a popsicle. Number 5. Refrigerated display case for desserts or beverages. Selling gets easier when the product appeals at first sight. A refrigerated display doesn't just preserve your products, it turns them into a visual experience that sparks immediate craving. That's what makes this machine a key tool for entrepreneurs working with cold foods. With a display case, you can showcase desserts, beverages, yogurts, ice creams, juices, popsicles, or any product that needs constant cold. It's ideal for home businesses, small cafes, bakeries, mobile points, or even food fairs. The business model is straightforward. Keep your products visible, organized, and well presented, which boosts sales without needing to say much. You can also rent it to other entrepreneurs attending events or selling perishable products without refrigerated space. The investment cost is accessible. You can import a compact display from China for under $400 and its small size adapts to any space. And if you want to scale, add more display cases, offer private label products, or distribute stock displays on consignment to local stores. When customers see what they want, they buy. That's the power of a good display. Selling without saying a word. Number 6. Cremolada or smoothie machine. On hot days, nothing beats a cold, thick, flavor-packed drink. Cremoladas and smoothies combine natural fruit with ice, creating a refreshing, healthy, and visually irresistible product. With a specialized machine, you can offer this experience from anywhere. Operation is simple. Choose the fruit, add ice and base liquids like water, juice, or plant milk, and in seconds you have a drink ready to serve. You can customize flavors, colors, toppings, or even make detox or fitness versions, widening your target market. This type of drink has special appeal in warm areas, sports centers, fairs, universities, or high foot traffic points. You can also work by pre-order and serve from home with delivery. The initial investment is low compared to the potential. You can import a compact machine from $250 and with local fruit and economical cups, the per unit margin is high. For example, a drink might cost you 50 cents USD and sell for 2 to 3 USD. Plus, it's easy to scale. Install more machines, create weekly combos, rent the machine for events, or develop a smoothie brand with deliveries to offices and gyms. A product that refreshes, nourishes, and sells itself. The key is presentation and getting customers to try it once. Number 7. Thai ice cream machine. Rolled fried ice cream. Few things grab attention like watching ice cream prepared in real time on a frozen plate. Thai ice cream, also known as fried ice cream, is a visual and gastronomic experience that's become a trend at fairs, malls, and on social media. This machine uses a frozen griddle where you pour a liquid base, like cream or yogurt, along with fruits, cookies, or toppings. With spatulas, everything is mixed in seconds, spread out and rolled, creating unique ice cream spirals ready to decorate. The business isn't just selling ice cream, it's putting on a show. Each preparation is different, customized, and perfect for videos that go viral on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts. You can set up at fairs, kiosks, food trucks, or private events. You can also rent the machine for parties or celebrations, where it becomes the center of attention. The entry cost is accessible. These machines can be imported for $400 to $600 and with few ingredients per serving, you can sell ice cream for $3, $4, or even more, especially with toppings or themed presentation. This model is ideal for those who want to stand out, turn heads, and leverage the power of visual content. You're not just selling ice cream, you're selling an experience, and that always commands a higher price. Number 8. Refrigerator or freezer for mobile business. Having cold products is useless if you can't keep them cold. For those selling on the street, at fairs, or from a mobile point, a portable refrigerator or freezer isn't just useful, it's essential. This type of equipment lets you store ice creams, popsicles, juices, frappes, smoothies, or ice bags while you move from place to place. Some run on standard electricity, others on battery or even solar, making them ideal for carts, delivery bikes, or food trucks. The opportunity lies in autonomy. With one of these freezers, you can attend more events, expand your delivery area, and ensure consistent quality without worrying about the heat. Also, if you're just starting, you can use it at home to preserve products without needing a fixed display or industrial cold room. They're compact, durable units, and you can import efficient models for under $450. You can also rent them to other entrepreneurs selling perishables at events or fairs, generating passive income. This kind of investment doesn't just give you mobility, it gives you the freedom to grow your business where the customers really are. Because selling cold, without breaking the cold chain, is what makes the difference. Number 9. Frozen yogurt machine. Frozen yogurt has become a modern alternative to traditional ice cream. It's lighter, healthier, and fully customizable, making it perfect for malls, fairs, tourist areas, or any space with high traffic of young people and families. With a frozen yogurt machine, you can offer a creamy product served in cups or by weight, to which each customer adds their favorite toppings: fruits, cereals, chocolate chips, syrups, cookies, gummies. The experience is 100% personal. And that's the secret. You're not just selling frozen yogurt, you're selling control, variety, and a fun moment. This increases the average ticket without the customer noticing, and also allows for an easily scalable business model. You can start in a small shop, install a self-serve kiosk, or take the machine to private events. You can also sell ready-portioned cups from home, leveraging low production cost and high demand. A machine like this can be imported from $450 to $600 USD, and ROI is quick if you choose the right location. Plus, frozen yogurt has a higher perceived value, allowing you to sell each portion for $2, $3, or more, depending on format and presentation. A visual, healthy business with a variety of flavors and options. Ideal for entrepreneurs who want to attract young customers with a fresh, customizable, stylish proposal. Number 10. Automatic cold brew coffee machine. Coffee isn't just hot anymore. The cold format has gained ground in modern coffee shops, offices, convenience stores, and among younger consumers seeking a refreshing, energizing, stylish drink. And there lies a big opportunity: offering cold coffee or cold brew with an automatic machine that does everything for you. This type of machine brews high-quality coffee cold, with a smoother, less acidic taste than traditional coffee. You can offer it black, with milk, over ice, or combined with flavors like vanilla, caramel, or chocolate. Plus, its elegant presentation and ready-to-drink concept increase its perceived value. The business model is ideal for entrepreneurs who want to stand out. You can sell the coffee in bottles or to-go cups, set up a mobile cart, or distribute to offices, gyms, health stores, or cafes that don't offer this format. You can also provide weekly refills to regular customers via subscription. An automatic cold brew machine can be imported from $400 to $600 US, and with quality coffee, ice, and reusable bottles, your margin can be 200% or more per unit. It's a premium product with low production cost and high turnover, especially in warm cities or places with an innovative coffee culture. A stylish business with growing demand and room to differentiate through your own brand, creative packaging, and flavor variety. Perfect for starting up with a drink that blends the classic with the modern and sells itself. You have in your hands a powerful opportunity to start a business with low risk, high turnover, and products that practically sell themselves. From slushies to cold coffee, from artisan ice cream to gourmet popsicles, these 10 machines can become the engine of your next business, working from home, a warehouse, or a mobile point. You don't need experience or big investments, just a good decision, a reliable machine, and the desire to start. Remember that in this video's description, I'm leaving the link with the step-by-step guide to import these machines from China, safely, profitably, and even if it's your first time. And if you like this content, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell, because every week I share real business ideas with numbers, analysis, and strategies, so you can take action and start building your financial freedom. See you in the next video. Here we talk about businesses that really can be done.